Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. Motorola introduced a compelling smartphone under Rs 20,000. So what are the areas where the smartphone stands out? Here are the reasons why I feel you should consider this as your next smartphone. Number 1, the display. A 6.5-inch IPS LCD which is HDR10 certified. Although an IPS LCD, the display is quite bright and vibrant and will make for a great multimedia experience. Number 2, the performance. With 6 GB of RAM and a powerful Snapdragon 730G processor, along with stock Android, ensures excellent day-to-day performance and also for people who game a lot. This phone will play games like PUBG Mobile very smoothly at high graphics settings. Number 3, the audio via speaker and headphone jack. This phone comes with a single downward-faring speaker, but don't let that fool you. It has the loudest single speaker on any phone under Rs 20,000 right now. The single speaker on this phone gets almost as loud as the stereo speakers on the Moto G8 Plus. For audiophiles who still use the headphone jack, it can easily play 32-bit audio files, and the output got out of it is excellent and easily the best under Rs 20,000 right now. Number 4, the battery and turbocharger. With a 5000 mAh battery and Motorola's excellent optimizations, a heavy user will easily be able to get 1.5 days of backup and 2 days for a light user. As far as screen on time is concerned, it will consistently give you over 9 hours of screen on time. As far as the charging speeds are concerned, it comes bundled with an 18-watt fast charger which charges from 0 to 60% in 1 hour and a full charge in 2 hours and 30 minutes. While the speed may not be so fast, there is an advantage over 30-watt fast charging, as in your phone's battery will hold up for at least 2.5 years without needing a replacement. Most phones charged with a 30-watt fast charger normally need their batteries changed after 1.5 years of usage. Number 5, the cameras. Usually the biggest weakness in every Motorola smartphone are its cameras. Not anymore. The cameras on the One Fusion Plus compete with all the Chinese counterparts and even better them on many occasions. The pictures got out of these cameras come out very natural and true to life. The one weakness of this camera is its low light photography, but it makes up for having the best night mode on any smartphone under Rs 20,000, resulting in some impressive pictures with the night mode turned on. The selfie camera performance is also very good. Number 6, the pricing and verdict. At Rs 17,000, Motorola have priced this phone very well and is a great alternative to the other Chinese counterparts. If you are planning on using a good all-rounder smartphone for the next 2 years and don't want to spend more than Rs 20,000, the Motorola One Fusion Plus will be a great alternative. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.